Welcome back. In this final lesson of Module 2, we'll use named ranges and/or structured references with an Excel table to make our formulas readable and easy to use. At the end of this lesson, you'll choose a preferred method and implement it in the activity. Let's get to it. Okay, let's talk about making our formulas more intuitive. Right now, with our setup, if we want to sum up our fixed costs, we'd write something like equals sum inputs B13, B17. That works, but it's not very readable. If you come back to this formula in 6 months, you'll have to go look at what's in B13, B17. There are two powerful ways to make this better. They are named ranges and structured references using Excel tables. Let's work you through each of them. 1. Named ranges. A named range is exactly what it sounds like. You give a name to a cell or a range of cells. Let's try it with our fixed costs. Go to the inputs sheet. Highlight the numbers in your monthly fixed costs table, the range B13, B17 in our example. Go to the name box, which is the little box to the left of the formula bar. Type a one-word name for this range, like fixed_costs, and hit enter. That is it. You have created a named range. Now, in any cell, on any sheet, you can just type equals sum fixed_costs. How cool is that? It's instantly clear what you're adding up. 2. Structured references with Excel tables. This is my preferred method and a modern best practice. We can turn our input tables into official Excel tables. This gives them superpowers, including automatically expanding when you add new data and using readable formula references. To create a structured reference, follow this process. Click anywhere inside your monthly fixed costs table. Press Ctrl+T or go to the Insert tab and select Table under Tables group. Make sure the selected range is correct and that the My Table Has Headers box is checked in the dialog box that appears. Click OK. Your table is now formatted and is an official Excel table. However, if you type the sum function and select the overheads range, it will still display fixed_cost. This means that we have a named range and a structured reference on the same range. Let's first remove the define name from the range. Go to the Formulas tab and select Name Manager under Define Names. In the dialog window that appears, select the fixed_cost name and click on Delete. Close the window. We have removed the named range. Now watch this. If you type a sum formula and select the overhead numbers, Excel doesn't write B13, B17, or fixed underscore cost anymore. It writes Table 1 amount, NGN. This is a structured reference. It's referencing the amount, NGN, column within Table 1. You can now rename the table itself. Select a cell within the overheads. Go to the Table Design tab. Then under Properties, change the Table 1 to something more descriptive like TBL under for overheads. Check again to see that the formula becomes equals sum, TBL underscore overheads, amount, NGN. It's incredibly robust and easy to read. It's time to implement what you've learned. Convert all three of your tables on the inputs sheet into official Excel tables using Ctrl+T. Give each one a proper name in the Table Design tab, e.g., TBL underscore assumptions, TBL unit inputs, TBL underscore overheads.